All right, hey guys. We're about to make some ice candy with mango, but before that, I want to give you a gift for all your hard work. You do work very hard behind the scenes. She's not in every single video, but she's always helping cooking dinner, sweeping, keep the house tidy, many different things. And someone has seen some of your hard works as a subscriber, and they want to give you 5,000 pesos. So in your day, you can use it any way you want, but this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there you go.
Is this because I won?
Because you won, yeah. No, it's because you earned it. You worked very hard, and you can get whatever you want. You can buy it for clothes, for food, for a gift for me.
Thank you for you.
Oh, thank you. I'm just joking. That's for you to do whatever you want. So, so that's awesome. You deserve it.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Well, think it's not from me.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you guys very much. It makes me feel good that I'm able to do this for them too. But it's from you guys, so thank you guys very much. So awesome. So all right, we'll get right into it. We're gonna start cooking some mango.
What happened?
From the shovel. It's like making my hands more tough.
You need also.
I need gloves.
We will split this
one.
one.
No, we're not splitting. That's yours. Don't be crazy.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. All right.
For this one.
Yeah, you guys. Hopefully, you can find something good to spin it on or something. But all right, we're gonna cook some mango ice candy, or not cook, but make. All right. So we'll get right into that. So thanks a lot, guys. It really means a lot.
Thanks, Dustin.
No, it's not from me. Hey, I'll take the hugs though. If you want to give me a hug, then that's good with me.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Turn up now.
Today I'm with Reche and her mother, and today we're gonna make ice candy with mango. I'll go over their ingredients in a second, but right now she's adding sugar to warm water or hot water.
Yeah. While she's doing that, I will slice the mango.
All right, sounds good.
Unique.
Unique. Nice. Did your dad do this?
Just to hi.
Oh, to hang. What's it called in Bisaya?
Cuchillo.
Cuchillo. Mangoes are mine and Richie's favorite.
Yeah.
So I'm excited. That looks really good. I never had ice candy with mango before. We did have jackfruit ice candy the other day, and that was really good too. So I'm excited to try the mango to just compare the difference. So we're using 2 cans of Doreen sweetened condensed creamer. So 2 of these, and we have about 3 mangoes. You want to get them in little pieces like that.
Mango. Wow, you're better than me.
Have you tried mango ice candy before?
Yeah, many times.
And you tried jackfruit. What's your favorite? What do you like better? Jackfruit was really good.
Yeah.
So
Peanut.
I think mango.
peanut jackfruit?
Huh?
Or peanut?
Not jackfruit.
Peanut jackfruit?
Peanut ice candy. That's your
Ice candy,
favorite?
milk and peanut.
That's your favorite? Favorite? That's your favorite, man? Oi! How does he eat the rest of this one? How does he eat the rest?
After this one, we can make jackfruit again.
There's another jackfruit? Your grandma has one?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's ripe now. I can smell.
From here?
I went there.
Alright, good. Jackfruit's really good too. Have you ever mixed any before? Like mango and jackfruit?
No.
Or you usually just stick to one?
No, we will try.
That'd be good? Yeah, we should mix a whole bunch of them together. We'll start with 2. You don't want to mix too many, then you can't taste the individual ones.
Hilaw ko na.
Oh, tapos lang.
So sweet.
Very sweet?
Sweet. Punang gamay.
More.
Okay.
Alright, we each have our own little bag of ice candy. And this is always the toughest part for me. So you twist it. And then tie it.
Isa to ma?
Tuyo, kugta.
Anak, mungkin.
Okay.
See, that I tied it, but look, it goes like this. Hers are like this. See the difference? So you don't want to do it like this.
How about
You
mine?
want to go like this.
Almost.
All right, here's Richie's. Oh, wow, Richie's actually is a lot better than mine. But don't do them like mine. It's really hard to eat if you do them like this.
So I think Mom will just.
So what should I do with this?
One more. Okay.
All right, so she fixed it. She's magic with these things. All right, we have 3. We're gonna have a little competition. Whoever finishes first wins. Ready, Mark?
Okay.
It's set, go. Oh man, wait. Let's do over. I was never good at tying balloons either.
Ta-da!
Uh,
Ta-da.
dang, that was one of your better ones. Ta-da! That was yours. Wow, very good. So you want to hold it up here, get air trapped inside, and then push it down. Like that?
Push it down. Push
All right.
It down. 1, 2,
So now
3,
I got
1,
it.
2, 3, drink.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. I can't stick my fingers through there. You guys got little fingers. That's
Yeah.
not fair.
Yeah.
She is done with that in 2 seconds, and I've been doing this for 25 minutes. All right, let's see if I got it. That's even worse than one before. What happened? Oh, that one's mine. All right. Oh, this one's mine. See the difference? All right, so now we're gonna guess how many we made. You guys can guess watching this too. What do you think, Richie?
40.
40? What do you think?
Mapili mo, Ma.
35.
35? 40?
How about you?
All right, it's good to go last. I'm gonna say 37.
37. So let's count.
19, 20. Hold on. What does the winner get? Whoever wins gets to choose the prize after they win. Okay, good deal, good deal.
Dito, Ma.
20.
20.
20.
38. 40.
Wow, 44.
44?
44.
Minus 40, so.
So you win. So what do you want? You have 10 seconds to decide and then it expires. 10, 9,
Wait,
8,
wait.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
What do I want?
2, 1.
At the end.
So sorry, your wish expired.
Not yet.
Okay. All right, she's gonna think about it.
You will cook for me.
All right. What do
American food.
you want? American food.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
Deal.
We'll have to go to the store and get some. What do you want? What kind of American food do you want? Just any kind? I get to
Any,
choose.
Yeah.
All right.
You will choose as long as you will cook for me.
All right. What kind of American food should I cook her, guys? Let me know.
Should be yummy.
I'm not a good cook though, so whatever I cook, hopefully you like it.
Yeah. I don't have choice.
All right. So you guys give me some ideas, some American food that I'll cook for Richie and the family, of course.
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good. All right. Last step is putting it in the freezer. Last one. All right, we have 44 of those guys in there. So we'll let that sit probably overnight, maybe if we're lucky tonight. So we'll see you guys, for you guys, about 5 seconds, but for us, we either wait tonight or tomorrow. Hey, Raymond already can't wait to get the ice candy. Raymond, the rules are if you helped, you get to eat first. So
For you, that's
Richie and I, oh, that one's yours. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and we have we have plenty in there for the kids later, but for now, Richie and I and Raymond are gonna eat these. So if you guys haven't tried these before at home, it's actually pretty easy. It's just condensed milk, water, and some mango. And you guys can pick any kind of fruit you want, but mango's my favorite, so. Hey, you guys want some ice candy? All right, 2 ice candies. One for you.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. Thank you.
There you go, no problem. They're delicious. Cheers. All right, guys, I guess we're gonna go. Richie wants us to practice a TikTok dance with her. Oh. So you guys check out our TikTok channel. We're gonna practice up a dance. She wants us to learn one. Is it hard?
It's like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1,
No, don't listen to him.
Wow, that's it? All right, I think
No.
I think we can handle that, Raymond.
No, 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 no.
No. Well, I'm finished. I think I'm gonna get another one. Those are really good. All right, you guys take care.
Ikaw lang.
I'll let you guys see a sneak peek of her dancing.